What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Do you know what a 609 dispute letter is, and how it works? A 609 letter is a method for customers to request that inaccurate or unfounded items be removed from their credit reports. As previously indicated, 609 letters are called after Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. This allows you the right to obtain information about the things mentioned on your credit reports, but not to dispute them directly. So, despite the fact that 609 letters are commonly referred to as dispute letters, they aren't challenging anything on your credit report just yet. Section 611 and 623 of the FCRA protect your right to dispute information on your credit report. The 609 letter states that if the credit bureaus are unable to produce certain records required to verify a debt, that debt must be removed from your credit report. So, 609 letters simply offer you the information you need to prepare follow-up letters disputing any mistakes made under Section 611 and 623. Although 609 letters might assist jumpstart the process, it's crucial to realize that there is no credit repair secret or silver bullet. Even so, a 609 letter may allow you to seek assistance from the credit bureaus. The format and wording of a 609 letter are not proprietary in any way. Because 609 letters are legal records rather than creative creations, they are not copyright protected. Furthermore, there is no proof that one disagreement letter style is more effective than another. Some firms may claim that their letter template would perform better than other letter templates due to the way it is designed. Don't be fooled by this. In fact, as long as you provide the correct information, you may compose a 609 letter on your own. The following is a step-by-step guide to drafting your 609 letters, including what to include and how to deliver them. Step 1. Get your free credit report first. Request a free copy of your credit report online before writing a 609 letter to check for any erroneous bad things. When reading your credit report, double-check that any debts shown are correct. Review our article, How to Find Out What Debt Collectors You Owe, if you're not sure what to search for. Step 2. Compose a 609 letter. Create a letter with the following information after you get your report and know what you want to dispute. Include your entire name, date of birth, address, and phone number in your personal information. If you have an attorney, make sure to provide their name and contact information. Include your account number with the credit bureau that provided you with your credit report. A declaration asserting rights under Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Include a statement stating that you are exercising your entitlement under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, Section 609, and that you are asking for all information pertaining to debts included on your credit report. Declare that you are entitled to all documentation pertaining to each item, including the original credit application and any signed contract. What items or entries on your credit report do you want information about? Make a note of all the things on your credit report about which you need information, as well as all the dates linked with each item. These should be the points you want to argue about. If your credit report has a large number of disputed items, rather than mentioning them in the letter, you might circle the things in your credit report and then refer to them in your letter. Include your most recent credit report whenever possible. Make a note of any item on your report that you wish to learn more about by circling and highlighting it. Identity verification. You must also supply suitable identification proof. Include a copy of your government-issued identification, such as a driver's license or passport, as well as your social security number. A request for removal has been made. In addition to requesting information about items on your credit report, include a statement reminding the credit bureau that if they are unable to verify an item in your credit report by locating the original contract or other documents required to validate that item must be removed within 30 days. Enclosures are mentioned. The extra papers you're submitting to the credit bureau with the letter are called enclosures. Add a list of all other papers you're submitting to the bureau under the heading Enclosures at the bottom of the letter. Step 3. Send your 609 letters certified mail, return receipt requested. After you've finished writing your letter, sign it. Make copies of the letter and any other papers you want to send to the credit bureau after that. Send the letter, together with any other papers, certified mail to the relevant credit bureau, along with a return receipt request. The United States Postal Service will provide you a certified mail receipt when you send mail through certified mail and request a return receipt from them. Once the letter is delivered, they will issue you a return receipt. Keep this receipt and your certified mail receipt safe. Credit agencies must evaluate all queries, including those made via 609 letters, and tell customers within 30 to 45 days of the outcome. This implies that if you write a 609 letter to a credit bureau demanding records pertaining to issues on your credit report, they must respond within 30 to 45 days. There is no certainty that a credit reporting service will erase a record, particularly if there is no concrete proof. As a result, it's critical to be persistent and write repeated dispute letters, if necessary, to obtain results. Even though it may be aggravating if they refuse to offer you any information, their refusal to furnish you with crucial paperwork may assist you in resolving your disagreement. Keep persisting and go get that money.